Dominica Investor Visa explained requirements and benefits. Dominica, often called the nature island of the Caribbean, is famous for its laterite forests, pristine beaches and vibrant culture. But what most people don't realize is that Dominica also offers one of the most accessible and strategically advantageous investor visa programs in the Caribbean. Many assume that obtaining residency or citizenship through investment is complicated, expensive or time-consuming, but the surprising truth is that Dominica has streamlined programs that combine residency, economic contribution, and long-term benefits for investors and their families. In this guide, we will explore everything you need to know about the Dominica Investor Visa, from eligibility requirements and financial commitments to the benefits application process and real-life examples. You'll get a complete, step-by-step roadmap to navigate this opportunity successfully. What is the Dominica Investor Visa? The Dominica Investor Visa is a program designed to attract foreign investors who contribute to the country's economic development. This visa allows investors and their families to obtain legal residency, with a clear path to citizenship in some cases, by making a qualifying investment in Dominica's economy. The program aims to support key sectors, including tourism, real estate and infrastructure, while also providing investors with a host of personal and financial benefits. The Investor Visa program is divided mainly into two pathways. 1. Direct business investment for individuals starting or acquiring a business in Dominica. 2. Government-sponsored economic contributions investments in government-approved funds or projects that stimulate economic growth. Both options are structured to ensure the investment has a measurable impact on the country, particularly in job creation, infrastructure development, and social benefits. Pathway 1. Direct business investment. Direct business investment is ideal for entrepreneurs who want to establish, acquire, or partner with a local business. Key features include minimum investment requirement. Typically, investors must commit €0 or more to a qualifying business. Larger investments can improve approval chances and facilitate faster residency processing. Business criteria. Enterprise must demonstrate viability, sustainability, and the potential to create employment opportunities for local citizens. Ownership requirements. Investors are usually required to hold majority ownership or controlling interest in the business. Visa duration. Initial approval grants a 2-year residency permit, which can be renewed upon meeting ongoing investment and operational requirements. Example: an entrepreneur from Canada invests €0 to start an ecotourism resort in Dominica, creating 10 new jobs and partnering with local communities for sustainable operations. This investment would likely qualify for the investor visa and open the door to legal residency for the investor and their family. Pathway 2. Government-sponsored economic contributions. For investors who prefer a more passive approach or want to support national development projects, Dominica offers government-approved economic contribution programs. This pathway typically includes National Development Fund. Investors contribute a non-refundable sum to the government, usually starting at €0 for a single applicant. Real estate investment option. Investors purchase approved real estate, such as tourism or commercial properties, with a minimum investment of €0. Properties must remain held for a minimum number of years, often 3 to 5, depending on the program. Government approval. Investments must be in projects or funds recognized by the Dominica Citizenship by Investment Unit (CRB) or the Ministry of Finance. Retention hook. Many people assume that any real estate purchase qualifies. The truth is that only approved projects count towards the investor visa, ensuring that investments support the country's economic priorities. Step-by-step application process. Applying for the Dominica Investor Visa requires meticulous preparation and adherence to legal standards. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide. Step 1. Select your investment pathway. Determine whether you want to engage in direct business investment or contribute through government-approved funds or real estate projects. Conduct a feasibility study or market analysis to demonstrate the viability and potential economic impact of your investment. Prepare a comprehensive investment plan detailing projected revenues, expenses, and job creation. Step 2. Prepare required documentation. Applicants must submit valid passport with at least 6 months validity, proof of funds including bank statements and legal source of investment capital, criminal background check from the applicant's country of residence, health records and insurance valid in Dominica. Business or real estate documentation, including purchase agreements, corporate filings, or project proposals. Detailed investment plan and financial projections. Pro tip: transparency is key. The Dominican authorities conduct rigorous due diligence to verify the source of funds and the legitimacy of the investment. Step 3. Submit application. Applications are submitted through the Dominica Citizenship by Investment Unit CRIBI or the nearest consulate. Include all supporting documents and pay the applicable application fee. Fees vary depending on the number of applicants and type of investment. Step 4. Government review. The government reviews financial documents, investment plans, and supporting materials. Background checks and legal compliance assessments are conducted. Additional information may be requested to clarify investment details or source of funds. Processing time typically ranges from 2 to 6 months depending on the investment type and complexity. Step 5. Visa approval and residency. Approved applicants receive a temporary residence permit for 2 years. Renewal or progression to permanent residency depends on continued compliance and the ongoing success of the investment. Financial and legal requirements. Dominica sets clear expectations for investor contributions to ensure tangible economic benefits. Key requirements include investment thresholds, direct business 0 OST, real estate or national development fund 0200 0 OST. Economic contribution investments must create jobs, stimulate local industries, or enhance infrastructure. Legal compliance businesses and real estate must comply with Dominican corporate, tax, and property laws. Surprising truth, many applicants assume a large sum is enough. The government prioritizes investments that actively contribute to local development rather than passive or speculative holdings. The benefits of the Dominica Investor Visa. 1. Residency and work rights. Investors gain the right to live, work, and manage their business in Dominica. 2. Family inclusion. Spouses and dependent children can be included in the application. 3. Access to Caribbean markets. Dominica's strategic location and trade agreements facilitate access to other Caribbean nations. 4. Potential for citizenship. In some cases, continued investment and compliance can lead to citizenship through the Citizenship by Investment program. 5. Business opportunities. Investors gain access to approved projects and potential priority in government-supported economic initiatives. Common pitfalls to avoid. 1. Assuming any investment qualifies, only government-approved projects and funds are eligible. 2. Neglecting source of funds verification. All investments must come from legal and documented sources. 3. Incomplete documentation for family members. Missing passports, birth certificates, or marriage certificates can cause delays. 4. Failure to demonstrate economic impact. Investments must create tangible benefits such as jobs or infrastructure improvements. 5. Ignoring renewal requirements. Maintaining the investment is essential to retain residency and access long-term benefits. Real-world example. Consider an investor from the United Kingdom invested 0 OST in an approved Eco-Lodge real estate project, created employment for 8 local staff and partnered with local suppliers, included their spouse and 2 children in the application. Outcome: the family received temporary residence permits within 4 months. Continued investment and operational involvement allowed them to renew their residency and eventually apply for citizenship, demonstrating the program's long-term advantages. This example highlights the importance of strategic planning, transparent documentation, and choosing investments that align with Dominica's economic priorities. Comparison with other Caribbean investor visas. St. Kitts and Nevis offer citizenship for a minimum 0 contribution, similar benefits but higher costs for real estate options. Antigua and Barbuda requires either contributions of 0 OST or real estate purchases. Visa processing is slightly longer. Dominica offers one of the most affordable, efficient, and flexible programs, with investment options starting at 0 OST and a relatively fast approval process. Retention hook. Unlike some neighbouring countries, Dominica combines affordable entry, flexibility, and family inclusion, making it one of the most attractive Caribbean investor visa programs. Conclusion: the Dominica Investor Visa is a strategic opportunity for individuals seeking residency, economic participation, and potential citizenship in a dynamic Caribbean nation. By making a qualifying investment, whether through direct business ventures, approved real estate, or contributions to government funds, investors and their families can secure legal residency while supporting Dominica's economic growth. Most people get this wrong by assuming money alone guarantees approval. In reality, success requires strategic planning, transparency, and alignment with the country's development priorities. For investors seeking a combination of natural beauty, economic opportunity, and streamlined investor visa programs, Dominican offers a clear, rewarding path to legal residency, family inclusion, and long-term benefits.